Guys, in this video we'll be configuring MCP server in VS Code in just 1 minute. I have listed down all the steps, step 1 till step 5. You have to just follow those steps. So first let's go to the VS Code and follow the first step 1. So in VS Code just do Ctrl Shift and P. You can see this add MCP server. Just click on that and then we'll be selecting HTTP and then just give your MCP host. So in my case, my MCP is my MCP server is running on 8081. Just give that address, click on next, and then it will give some random name. Again, just click on next, and it will come for the workspace or global. So we'll be selecting the workspace because we are interested in my workspace. Click on here. You can see it's gone added, and then it's automatically started running. You can stop it or you can start again. If you want to see the entire video, I have done the setup of MCP server, MCP host. You just click on the description. Thank you.